I was told that after I ate something, I needed to wait 30 minutes before I got back in the pool. Cracking your knuckles will give you, yeah, you heard that. If you swallow your gum, it will take 7 years to get through your digestive system. This is not real. But did you know there are people outside the doors of this church? Some of you very much know this because it was you. Thought that, well, I don't know, church is really for kind of those people, and I'm not one of those people. And church is for people that kind of have it all together, and I don't have it all together, so I don't think I could ever go to church. But it has been our goal to say, okay, if you've never been to church before, you have a disdain about church or whatever it may be, that you could come to this place and you could still find a home, and you could find a home no matter what life you've been living as well. And the choices and the decisions that you've made in your past, that you could still find a place where people loved you.